Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's tutorial I'm going to share with you this special look for this Durga Puja, and I have created this pearl white, red and brown, black smoky eyeliner kind of a look, and I think this look is perfect for Ashtami, Anjali or Dashami Sindoor Khala. I am a Bengali myself and Durga Puja has always been very special in my life, and this look is perfect for this Durga Puja. Before starting, if you are new here, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. For that, go to your YouTube app, press that red subscribe button, also press the bell icon next to it so that you get notification whenever I upload a new video, and it is absolutely free. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm taking this Maybelline TattooStudio brow pomade in the shade black brown, and I'm just filling up the gaps and sparse areas, and I am making my brows a little bolder than usual. It's festive season, it's a festive look, so brows have to be really bold, right? Now with a spoolie, I'm just combing my brows so that there is no harshness. Now I'm taking this e.l.f. 16-hour Camo concealer in this shade medium beige, and I'm just cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. I'm also applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows that is coming up next. Now I'm just blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. This one is from Studio 35. To set the concealer, I'm taking this Rimmel Stay Matte loose powder in transparent, and I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease and move around. For my eyes, first I'm taking this dark brown shade from my Makeup Revolution Reloaded Velvet Rose palette, and with this e.l.f. brush I'm just applying it on my outer V area in a V shape, and I'm slowly building it up because I do not need any kind of patchiness. Then taking whatever is left on my brush, I'm just applying it on my crease as well as my transition color. Remember, I haven't taken any extra product. I'm just using whatever is left on my brush. Now I'm taking this beautiful shimmery pearl white shade from my Makeup Revolution Wild Animal Integrity palette, and I'm just applying it all over on my eyelids. I have already done a full swatch review and tutorial of this palette. I will link it down in the description bar below, so please do check that out. Now I'm taking this beautiful red shade and I'm just applying it between the shimmery shade and between the brown shade, because I'm wearing a red sari, and for that a red eyeshadow is must. Again, I'm just slowly building it up because I do not want any kind of patchiness. I'm highlighting my brow bones with the same pearl white eyeshadow. Now I'm taking this matte black eyeshadow from the Velvet Rose palette, and I am kind of smudging it out through my entire upper lash line. I am kind of creating a smoked out eyeliner effect, and when I will apply the actual eyeliner, it will look smoky. Now I am taking my Wet n Wild MegaLiner in this shade jet black, and I'm just creating a very nice bold wing here. If you are a Bengali, you must know Bengali look is all about bold eyes, so a black eyeliner is must. Before continuing with my eye makeup further, I'm going to finish my base, then I will return to my eye makeup again. And for that, I am taking this NYX Photo Loving Primer in clear, and I'm just priming my entire face and neck. I already moisturized my face about half an hour ago. This primer is perfect for this festive season. It just blurs out all your imperfections, your pores, and it also makes your makeup long lasting. For my foundation, I'm going with my current obsession. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh foundation in the shade 470, and I'm just buffing it in using a damp beauty sponge. This one is from Maybelline. This foundation does oxidize. So previously I have been using the shade 475, but it does not match me anymore, so I switched to the shade 470 and it is like a perfect match for me. For highlighting and concealing, I'm using the same e.l.f. concealer, and I'm just applying it underneath my eyes, on my chin, cupid bow, on the sides of my mouth, on the center of my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, and just under where I'm going to place my contour next. Now just blending it out again using a damp beauty sponge. This concealer tends to settle down pretty quickly, so you have to be really quick in terms of blending, or you can do like one section at a time. This is a pretty full coverage concealer. It is extremely long lasting and crease proof, and as you guys can see, I have applied a very little amount of concealer underneath my eyes. Trust me, you need only that much of concealer. If you apply too much of it, then it may become a bit cakey, and you do not want that. Now I'm just setting my under eyes as well as my smile lines using the same loose powder, and I'm just kind of pressing it down using a damp beauty sponge. To set my entire makeup, I'm going with this Maybelline SuperStay 24-hour powder foundation in the shade 312. I do not like this one as a powder foundation, but as a setting powder, it is bomb. Now I'm finishing my eye makeup. For that, I'm tightlining my eyes using my Jordana Eyeliner in the shade Jet Black. You can use any gel eyeliner or kajal that you have. Now I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line using the dark brown eyeshadow that I applied on my outer V area. Now I'm taking the black eyeshadow from the palette and I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line even more. Again, bold eyes. Bengali makeup means your eyes have to be bold. Now taking the red eyeshadow, I'm just applying it on the border of that black eyeshadow, and I'm not applying it like all over on my lower lash line. I'm just applying it on the outer part of my lower lash line, and I'm just highlighting my inner corners using the same pearl white eyeshadow. Now I'm just curling my natural lashes with this Vega eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is by Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. Now you can only wear mascara if you want, but I'm going to amp up the look a bit more. For that, I'm going to use falsies, and I'm going to use this Kiss lashes in this style Gala off camera, and here is the final eye look. Truly love the way how it turned out. I do not think I have done a similar look on my channel ever before. This is something new for me, and this eye look is perfect for red sari. I'm going to finish my face. For that, first I'm taking this particular shade from my NYX Contour Highlight and Contour Pro palette, and I'm just contouring the parameters of my face, such as my hollows of cheeks, my jawline, my forehead, as well as my big fat nose. Contouring is a must. It just gives your face a nice dimension. And I'm using an eyeshadow brush for contouring my nose. This is my most preferred way for doing this particular step. I have been obsessed with bronzers lately. So I'm taking my Milani bronzer in the shade Glow, and I'm just bronzing up my face. This is such a stunning bronzer. Now I'm taking this Flower Beauty Flower Pots blush in the shade Wild Rose, and with this Flower Beauty blush brush, I'm just applying it on my cheeks. Such a stunning color, and it's extremely long lasting. Now I am taking this Balm Cosmetics Minizer, and I'm just hitting the high points of my face using this Do Care highlighting brush. This is again stunning. Look how gorgeous that is. And I'm just applying it like on top of my cheekbones, my chin, cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose, and on the sides of my forehead. Now to lock everything in its place, I am using Real makeup extender, and this is probably my third or fourth bottle, and I just love this setting spray. Now for my lips, it has to be red, right? So I'm just lining my lips using my Wet n Wild Perfect Powder Gel Lip Liner in the shade Red the Scene or Spotlight Red. I don't know, I will mention it in the description bar below, so please do check that out. Now I'm applying Wet n Wild Catsuit liquid lipstick in the shade Missy and Fierce, and later I applied a little bit of Milani Amor Matte lipstick in the shade Devotion because I wanted the lips to be a bit darker, you know, because it would match my sari perfectly. So you can see here is the final look, and it's just after I applied Milani Amor Matte in the shade Devotion. And I'm giving you two options. One is without nut and the other one is with nut. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. I will upload several Durga Puja makeup tutorials pretty soon, so please stay tuned. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. So yeah, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care. Mwah.